Now that you've seen the importance of the PageRank algorithm and how Google uses it, let's understand a bit more of the details of the algorithm. So I'd like to do this with the following simple example. Let's imagine that the internet was made up of just 7 pages, namely the 7 Wikipedia pages of these African countries. The PageRank algorithm works using the connectivity between all the pages. So let's figure out how these pages are connected to each other via the links between pages. If we start with Kenya over there, we'll see that Kenya has 6 links to the Ethiopia Wikipedia page, 10 links to Uganda's Wikipedia page, and just 1 link to Nigeria's Wikipedia page, and none to the rest of these 3 countries. We can iterate through each of the pages in the same way to build up this big network. So let's take a moment to try to think about which of these pages should be the highest rank pages and which the lowest rank pages. So the PageRank algorithm works by giving a score to each page, which tries to capture how important that page is as a source of information to the user. So pages that have a lot of incoming links, we would expect to have a high score since a lot of other pages are pointing to that page as a source of information. On the other hand, we want to penalize pages that have a lot of outgoing links, since that would suggest that the page is simply a place where users are passing through before going to a different page. I'll give you a moment to look at this network and think about which page you think will have the highest ranking and which will have the lowest ranking.